First off, we're hands-free. Hands-free sling. Second, I can shoot faster, you can pull your pistol. Okay? So we have the fastest shooting possible. Now also, it's very adjustable. If we had body armor or something that we want to put on. Also, I'm going to show you a single point. Hook that to your belt. We have single point. Now if you injure this arm, we can go to pistol style. We can shoot pistol style. Now also, if we had AR pistol, throw a jacket on. You never know I had it on. Now if I want to get in my truck, put the sling down, go drive. You don't have to take the sling off, just put your rifle down. And when you get back on the trail, you're back in the action. Now also, we want to go center carry. Okay. Now we can adjust this up or down, or adjust it under the arm. Now, obviously, yes, you can put it on your back, but that's like putting your pistol in your trunk. You can't get to it. Now, if we want to go to our pistol, other slings, when you shoot, you put the rifle down, you put your rifle down, you gotta hold on to it while you grab your pistol. Not us. When we shoot, we let go of the rifle, we go to the pistol, guess what? I still got another hand left, what am I doing? I'm grabbing more clips. Keeps me in perpetual motion. Now let's say we want to do left or right shooting, we're in a clear house. I'm sure you guys do that all the time. Alright. Alright, so bang, bang, bang. So we go over here, pop, 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 pop. Never have to take sling off. Keep it on us at all times. It allows you to do left or right shooting and to be hands-free whenever you need. Now we can adjust this as tight as we want to. We can keep it right here on the front of us. No matter how tight we make it, we're ready to go. So your hands free. And it's all American made.